Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
About the mischief that is being making around on the social media, and it is important for me to clarify this matter. We have not shifted ground. We have not done any policy somersault in any form. Right from 2017, when I signed the Prohibition of Open Grazing Law and Provision for Ranching, I did not say that I was sending Fulanis or Hausas or Igbos or anyone away from Benue State. I said everybody was free to do legitimate business. And in that law, it is a win-win for Fulani herdsmen, for Hausas, for everybody, even white people. They are free to come to Benue State. There is land. And I have maintained this. I have not shifted ground. And none of my aides, including the commissioner, after reading the content of that headline that was meant to cause mischief, I discovered that it was just made mischief. Otherwise, he didn't say anything, which was wrong. He said that there is land. Until tomorrow, we said that everybody, Fulani, Hausa, Igbo, and everyone who wants to sojourn in Benue State and do business is free to do that, provided you respect the provisions of our law. That is the point. And we have not stopped any ethnic group from coming to do business in Benue State. Nigeria is our country. We all belong to other countries. There are Benue people who are in other places and are doing work. And we have no apology for what we did. We have been under pressure to make amendment of the law or rescind the law. And I said, no, we will not do that. This law belongs to Benue people. We are against open grazing, 100%. Whether I die or not, I still remain committed to prohibition of open grazing in Benue State. That is what the people want. And the only people who can reverse this is Benue people, not even me. The issue of reversing prohibition of open grazing is beyond Ortom. And so the question of reversing that does not come in. And that is why I will continue to call on Buhari to rescind his decision to insist that open grazing must continue in Nigeria. Open grazing is outdated. There is no need for it. And we must ranch our cattle. And that is what we say. Whether you're a Fulani man, Hausa man, Igbo, or Yoruba man, if you want to do ranching, we have land for you. Come and apply. We'll give you that land on lease. That is what our law says. So nobody should accept that kind of blackmail, taking advantage of what my commissioner said. I'm making a headline. I'm not reading the body. I stand with him. What he said was the right thing. Ranching, we are ready for it. We have no problems with Fulani people. We have lived with them for a very long time. But these foreign herdsmen who come to take away our land and kill our people, we are against them. We will not accept them and we will resist them. We are not their partners. And so I stand with my commissioner on what he said, and there was nothing wrong in saying that there is land for ranching. There is land. Anybody who wants to do ranching, whether you're from Europe or America or China, anywhere you can come, we'll provide land. We'll restrict you to your land. There you feed your cattle. You do not go with your cattle in people's farm to destroy it. That one is not allowed. And our law is still in place. We are still prosecuting, and we will arrest and prosecute anybody who trespasses against our law in Benue State. So it's as simple as that. So please, I want you to help me to disseminate this information to other people who are trying to make mischief out of nothing. There is nothing. And I cannot be blackmailed by anyone in this country. Benue people elected me. So far, I'm doing their will.